it just feels amazing, like finally getting to live with her, getting to just cherish all the moments together which we have cherished, doing all of those things together, just looking forward to all of that.
Now I can see myself in your. अरे बाप रे कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं?
When I started dating, when we started dating, we started dating when we were like very young, just in college. So you never think that you will get married.
Everything is very timed, and these children are very professional in their thoughts.
I think they're made for each other. They look like absolutely made for each other.
One word, perfect.
In reality, there's no one better than Akriti for Bhavya, and there's no one better than Bhavya for Akriti.
Are you recording or no? Yeah. Oh, you're still rolling. अच्छा हाँ भाई रिकॉर्डिंग आई है मैंने तेरी सारी बेइज्जती कर दी मैं कहा बहुत बहुत आलसी लड़का है अगर तू नहीं करता तो कौन करता हाँ बेटे
She just somehow knows what is the best in every situation, but it takes me a while to realize that.
Yes.
and thereafter circling through 3 different solutions, I will eventually go to her solution, and that will be the best solution.
It's always been him, so just having this whole experience and sharing these moments with him is, I don't know.
It just feels amazing, like having to do this with her is just amazing. It's always been about the person. All of this is very amazing that's happening in the way it is happening, but
I can't describe. I don't think I felt like this ever.
maybe like I never thought about the wedding ceremony per se, but just the person who I want to marry with. And I always had this thing that it's someone who you grow old with. I'm just very happy to be doing this with Akriti and just looking forward to the next chapter of our lives together. I always thought, is there something that I'm missing? Is there something I'm not missing? I might be able to find somewhere else or whatever, but that's never been the case. The answer has always come out Akriti.
I always live for the future and Bhavya lives for the present, which makes my life of present beautiful. Okay, we are rushing.
Last, say your hashtag and live.
Up to forever! Okay, now I'm rushing.
Before Bhavya met Akriti, the guy was he was Turkey number 1 of the college, okay?
It started with Bhavya trying to hit on every girl in our campus. In that process, he asked me to set him up with another girl.
She's never been the delicate, chui-mui type of girl.
So he was like, can you convince her to go to the prom night with me? But she had other plans. So I felt bad and I went to the prom night with Bhavya.
फैमिली शो है बस हो गया
Dağın tepesinde esiyor soğuk yeller. Karşıda neler diyor ince belli güzeller.
It still feels like we're attending a party.
I guess all of that stopped once he got with Akriti.
Say something nice.
आकृति का ऐसा है कि भाई इमोशन तो है ही, दूसरे की शादी में रोती रहती है.
How do you like Bhavya?
But I don't like him.
See?
हर टाइम मेरी बहन मेरे को टोकती रहती है.
हाँ इतना कह सकती हूँ कि अगर आकृति ने चुना है तो ही इज द बेस्ट.
पर ठीक है, आज जा खड़ा हूँ मैं, कुछ नहीं हूँ पर ठीक है. वो आकृति की वजह से हूँ मैं.
आप लोग 1 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हो, हम 10 साल से तैयारी कर रहे हैं.